Another video about milk kefir grains. I have to show this to you because these grains that I bought from your G-Zone is really amazing. If I knew it before, I would have bought it for me much earlier. So I have to tell you about these grains again. I bought these grains by my G-Zone at Hartbeespoort in South Africa. And it's the bigger grain. You can go look up my previous video that I made about this. And what I realize now is these grains are much more, they are not so picky. They can take the things much more. Like, look at this, it's a lot fermented, but it do nothing to the grains. The small grains that's dehydrated at first doesn't want this. So I'm going to show you how I make very lekker, very thick kefir out of these grains. You see, it fermented a lot. I will put a picture or short video in the description before this. Where I show you it started to ferment. Then I stir it. And then you leave it again, let it ferment again. It's nice and hot here, so it happens fairly quickly. And then if you stir it like that, then the whey will go down and it will separate very nice here that you can draw it up. I took from this container, is a shower gel container. I took the pump from that when on an empty one. And this is working really very nice. I love this. So let me put this one away. And then I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Before I stir it now again, because I want to get that whey out there. That's my main goal. So I have got a smaller container. And I just push it through and then I'm pumping it up. This is working beautiful. You see there, it's going down. So what I do is I pump it until I can see it starts to, you can decide how far you want to go. There it become now white. The white kefir is starting to come out now. Now I just empty the pump inside. And to clean that pump is also quite easy. You just put water in a, let's put this cup. Let's take this cup. Put water in and I pump water through it. You see there, I pump the water through it and it cleans itself. But don't let it wait, you must do it fairly quickly, otherwise when the milk kefir will get hard inside, then it's going to be a problem. But there's the inside out and the outside. The inside is now clean and the outside you can wash like normal. Alright, let's continue. Now I'm going to have more grains like I explained to you in the previous one of the previous videos. Feel free and go check them out. They multiply like crazy, these grains. I'm gonna do the whole thing quickly, just for those who tuned in, who doesn't know how we strain these grains. If you can see how nice it goes underneath through. If you have any comments, any questions, please put it in the comments. I must say I check my comments really frequently. Don't know for how long, but on this stage I'm checking that. If you have any questions, I will try and answer it. Tell you what I know, what my experience is, and how I do it. Because this stuff is really very, very healthy for you. I want to say now, especially if you're diabetic or you have some sickness, it's healthy for everyone. For everyone. Look for me. It's very healthy for me to do actually the ketogenic diet program. So yeah, just to show you again, look at that grains. And someone asked me in a previous video, can you use almond milk? Well, I never tested. I never done it with almond milk or any other milk than cow milk. I would like to do these big kefir grains with raw farm milk, but I haven't tested yet. I will see if I can get hold of it. But on this stage, I'm just using the normal milk, long life milk you buy in the stores. I told you on the small kefir grains, there is the small kefir grains. They don't like that you change the name of the fabrication. What do you call it? That you change the milk, because the name of the milk. The small kefir grains, they don't like that you change the brand of the milk. But these grains, it seems like they really don't care. Much more tougher. And yeah, that is that. I will put in the milk quickly. You see, normal long life milk. You see the way I put in the milk? I'm a man, I'm not a woman. Women will put the milk in very slowly and nice, pour it in very nice. But yeah, there it is. So this video is all about these bigger kefir grains are much better to use. So if you can get hold of it, you will make your life much easier. So yeah, enjoy your milk. Cheerio.